Hi, it's another unboxing video and I have got September's edition of Pink Parcel. So it looks like, I haven't opened it up yet and I don't know any spoilers, so I'm pretty excited. If you're new to Pink Parcel, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about Pink Parcel and what it is. But if you are a regular to my videos and you just want to skip on to seeing what's inside, I will add timestamps. I've started doing that a lot now because I do know I tend to talk a lot, which annoys quite a few people, but so I've just put timestamps. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please click the subscribe button to see more videos to come, very similar to this, unboxings, beauty, etc. So yeah, so Pink Parcel is a subscription box and it's a period subscription box / period and beauty. So it costs £12.95 a month and you can cancel any time. That includes postage and packaging as well. Inside you get all the sanitary protection that you require for the month. Well, everyone is different, but you do tend to get quite a lot of items, which I will show you. I've opted for pads in here. Online you get to choose whether you want all pads, all tampons, or a mix of both. You also get to choose the actual brand and you get to choose the date that you would like your Pink Parcel to be sent out to you or thereabouts, so it coincides with your period. So inside the box you do get your sanitary protection and you do get a treat box. So I'll open it up and show you and I'll talk about it as I go along. So inside the box you get some leaflets and the first one is something new and I'm not sure if I should share it with you, but I will. And I suppose if there's a cap on how many of you use this code, then it'll stop. But I'm not sure if it's just for me to give to one person, but if you're watching this and you fancy trying Pink Parcel for yourself, for £1, there is a code here that I will link down below. So click on the show more and that will bring the description and everything will be down there. Links to this Pink Parcel, and also I have a £3 off refer a friend code, but obviously if this works, then you're better off getting your first Pink Parcel for £1. That is such a bargain. So the next one is Hello Fresh. We always get little money off vouchers. And then we have Pink Parcel Post. This is the little leaflet that describes your box for the month and it tells you everything about the beauty products, the pricing, the sizing, and I'll be referring to that as we go along. And this is the box. You can see there's a few different compartments and we've never had this before. We always get a pouch, we always get a little bag like this, but this is the first time that we've had a heart one, which is really cute. I like that. We've got a for later, which for me it contains pads. We've got for now, it contains pads. For night, it's nighttime pads. And then for you, which is the beauty. So for the later box, there's 10 pads in there. So in the little pouch, you get a mixture of pads. You get 5-day pads and you get 5 panty liners as well. Then the for night box, you have larger pads. And there's 5 of those in there. So on to the For You box, and I can hear that jingling. So I'll open it up and I'll show you first. There you go. Put it down to the side of me, pick an item up, show you and refer back to this booklet. So is there a theme for this month? It says, welcome to your Eve edit. A brand new season is on its way, which means so is the start of mind and body reboot. But importantly, September is also Gynecological Cancer Awareness Month. To mark it, we're dedicating this month's parcel to the Eve Appeal, a charity that's committed to raising awareness and funding research around the 5 types of gynecological cancer: womb, ovarian, cervical, vulva and vagina. Our Eve edit, worth over £45, is packed full of perfect partners that will help give both your beauty cupboards and your health a fresh start. And it goes on to telling you what is in the box. So going for the first item, and it's Percy and Reed, and it's a hair product and it's invisible dry shampoo, and this is a 50ml. I've had this before and I do love it. I love the size as well, super handy to pop in your bag if I'm going anywhere. I do really like it. I do like this brand, so I'm quite chuffed I got it because I haven't got one at the moment. So for 150ml it will cost you £12.50, so this is 50ml, so I'd say that this is like a mini travel size. A blow dry in a bottle, use it to style your hair like the pros. It's perfect for all hair colours and won't leave a powdery white mark inside. And yeah, I agree with that. It is a good dry shampoo, so no chuffed I got that. Next item. Oh, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Skin Chemist Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. I love this. I absolutely love it, and I'm running out of mine now. I've had it for ages. So expensive. I think on the actual Skin Chemist website, it's worth around like £100, but you can get it on like Feel Unique and websites like that for about 45, 50, and it is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So it claims that it's a plumper. In my opinion, nah, it's not really a plumper. Well, it might be, but it doesn't plump my lips as such. I use it as a lip treatment. So when I do my makeup in the morning, I do my skincare, and I grab for this and I apply it on my lips. If I know I'm going to be putting a lipstick on straight on top, I don't use it then, but throughout the day I will use it if I haven't got any lipstick on. It just leaves my lips super, super soft. Since I've been using it, my lips haven't been flaky whatsoever, and I absolutely love it. And the fact I got a brand new one, and it's a full size one as well. It's colourless, it looks pink, but I think, yeah, it might have a pinky tinge on your lips, but it's generally colourless. It does give you that sort of plumping feel, you know, it feels like it's doing something to your lips, but I don't really notice a plump. I just love it for the actual, you know, softness it makes my lips feel. Ooh, that is a shock. For 8ml, which is what this is, it's £24.90. Oh, so the price has come right down, unless I have had in the past, I think it's from Look Fantastic, a longer one, or a bigger one I should say. Anyway, the hydrating formula deeply nourishes and leaves lips gorgeously glossy with star ingredient Volu Lip and perky peppermint oil to really plump up the volume. No, I'm really chuffed with that, really chuffed. Next item. Oh wow, Cornish sea salt and lime, and it's a little chocolate bar. In every box, I forgot to say, you receive 5 beauty items, and you have 1 sweet treat, which is sometimes popcorn, but it's usually chocolate, and you get like a tea bag. So this is the sweet treat, and it's by the little one, Seed and Bean, and 37% cocoa. That sounds gorgeous. Sea salt and lime. Oh, lovely. Organic ingredients, tick. Fair trade cocoa, tick. Totally delicious, double tick. Get your cravings checklist sorted with this delicious bar. I'm really excited to try that. I'm going to have that afterwards. Next item, it's our drink, and it's a chai latte, and it's a black tea, and it's drink me chai, free from, no added sugar and non-dairy. Just add milk or dairy substitute to taste. Oh wow, we had one of these in our box before, and I assumed it was because I just read latte, I assumed it was a coffee, but no, it wasn't, it was a tea. So we got another one, and I've never tried that one before. For 250 grams, this will cost you £2.50, and it says, made with natural sweeteners and cinnamon, the vegan recipe contains no added sugar and is 99% caffeine free. So now I look forward to trying that. Next item, anatomicals, no old bags allowed. Oh, it's an eye gel. Oh wow. It's a 5ml eye gel. Now we've had a few, is that upside down for you? We've had a few anatomicals in our beauty boxes, but I've never had anything like this. They're usually foot cream or body lotions, but no, not an eye gel. No smell. Yeah, it does feel quite cooling actually. So even though it's a small one, 5ml eye gels do tend to last a heck of a long time because you only need a tiny bit. So I'm quite happy with that. For a 15ml full size, it would cost you £4.79. So this is a sample. Arnica and orange flower water are the star ingredients of this quick absorbing non-sticky formula that will perk up puffy peepers. So no, I always like to try something new like this. So yeah, definitely happy with that as well. This box is good so far. Next item is a pencil. It's a black eye pencil. Oh, it's by Pixie by Petra. Now we've only had, I think, clear eyebrow gels by Pixie by Petra in our subscription boxes before, so I'm really happy that we've got something else by them. I do like the brand, and it's an endless silky eye pen. That's what that looks like there. Oh, it's nice and soft and really pigmented. Oh, that's lovely. How does it blend? Ooh, it's a little bit too, it blends quite a bit. Sometimes if you've got a really soft eye pencil, particularly if you like going in the inner corners on the bottom like what I do, if it's too soft and smudgy, it can come away. It can come away with, you know, in your waterline and things, so, which annoys me because you have to keep on topping it up, but it's fine. It seems really lovely, but I will know for sure once I apply it to the bottom of my eyelids to see how good it is. So this is a full-size item and the recommended retail price is £12. One silky swipe is enough to make a serious impact. The no budge formula stays put all day and is waterproof. Paraben free and preservative free too. Discover all the shades at the Pink Parcel shop. Oh, brilliant. Right, I'm going to put that to the test then. And the last item is a mask. So what's this? It's a Beauty Pro Nourishing Collagen Mask with olive extract, suitable for all skin types. Deeply nourishes hydrated, thirsty skin, regenerates skin cells while protecting the skin, diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. So that's what that looks like there. I've never had that before. This is a full-size item and it would cost you £4.95. The marine collagen, vitamin C and aloe vera work together to restore radiance, boost elasticity and combat fine lines. Beerberry extracts reduce pigmentation and evens out skin tone too. That sounds absolutely amazing. It sounds really good. So those are all the items. I'm just going to gather them all up. I'm really chuffed this month actually. I think they've stepped it up, haven't they? I don't know, what are your thoughts? What do you think of this month? We've got the Invisible Dry Shampoo, we've got a face mask, we've got a lip treatment plumper, we've got an eye pencil, we've got some chocolate and tea, and we've got an eye gel as well. Even though I've had this before and I've had that before, so repeat offenders, but they're not offending me whatsoever because I absolutely love them, and I don't think I've ever had them in this particular box. But no, I'm really chuffed. No, I really like it. So no, well done Pink Parcel for September. So I hope you enjoy this review. Please check down below if you're interested in that your first box for £1. It's got nothing to do with me, it's not affiliated with me, but if it works for you, great. So let me know as well if it does, if you do use it and it works, because I'd be interested to see if it's just for one person. So thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye bye.